The long-term health effects of alcohol, impaired driving, Part 3. Harm to the nervous system. Alcohol causes the neurological system to malfunction, which triggers a chain reaction that affects every other system in your body. This occurs as a direct result of alcohol's impact on neurons, which are important signaling cells in the neurological system. Additionally, it throws off the molecules that control how the neurological system functions. Every vital bodily function, such as sleep, sex, appetite, energy, mood swings, and your fight or flight response when under danger are all controlled by hormones and neurotransmitters. Because these molecules interact, altering the levels of any one hormone or neurotransmitter will have a knock-on effect that disturbs all the others. Regular alcohol intake will eventually prevent your body from re-establishing its natural chemical balance. Personality changes, intellectual decline, memory loss, and severe mental health issues might result from this. Brain injury. Every conscious and unconscious movement your body makes is under the control of your brain. It also controls your identity, feelings, memories, and sense of self. The real brain tissue will become damaged over time, and the neurotransmitter and hormone balance that the brain uses to regulate body activities will be disrupted. Your brain will start to change as a result of regular alcohol consumption's dehydration. The brain will shrink in certain areas while growing larger than usual in others. You might even have gaps in your brain's tissue or strange growths, which would impede your motor skills and cause you to lose your memory and become confused. Although the adage alcohol kills brain cells is largely accurate, what is actually damaged are the tips of the neurons in the brain cells. Dendrites, the terminals of neurons, link each neuron to its neighbor and enable the transmission of complicated electrical signals across the entire body. Signals will be distorted where dendrites are injured, and your entire body may become dysfunctional. The damaging effects of alcohol on brain chemistry are comparable. Chemical imbalances have the potential to grow into life-altering mental illnesses and disorders over time. One out-of-balance chemical in the intricate web of neurotransmitters and hormones will have an impact on other chemicals, and so on, until the entire system is out of whack. The chemicals in our brains directly affect how we feel and act. Major depression, manic depression, and schizophrenia are all illnesses that can develop when something goes wrong and the brain is unable to correct it. Addiction to alcohol. Regular alcohol use causes the brain to ultimately adjust to the bloodstream's constant flow of alcohol. In order to function as normally as possible while alcohol is present, it actually modifies its typical operating parameters. In that case, stopping the alcohol will cause the brain to stop working normally. This is a sign of physical addiction and is referred to as alcohol withdrawal. The brain takes some time to adjust to normal working conditions once an alcoholic quits drinking. While this is happening, the withdrawal will affect your mood and induce hallucinations, depression, anxiety, confusion, nausea, sleeplessness, and hypertension. This explains why so many alcoholics who attempt to break their habit eventually return to drinking. Once addicted, giving up is incredibly challenging. Alcohol sensitivity. Your capacity to endure the consequences of intoxication will gradually rise with excessive, prolonged alcohol use. This is not a good thing, despite how it might sound. While intoxicated, you may be more able to speak, walk, and think normally, but the alcohol in your blood will still be harming your body just as much. Additionally, those who have a high tolerance to alcohol frequently drink more in one sitting in an effort to replicate the effects they had when they first started to drink. As a result, organ damage and general health decline will occur more quickly.